In the past there was a king known as the Pharaoh, the Fir'aun. And the Fir'aun made a drastic claim. He said, "Ana rabbukumul a'la." I am your Lord Most High. Now as humans, you can anticipate that if another human tells you, "I am God," you will have questions. You know, because you talk like me, you walk like me, you go to the toilet like me, that's not very possible for you to be God. Like the human intellect can kind of cancel that out by itself to say, listen, probably not. So the Fir'aun recognized this, that this is going to be a difficult sale. So what he did, he enlisted the service or the services of magicians. And the magicians came about to basically perception manage, to make a human into a god. So they came with their crafts and their tricks and their magic, and they attributed the greatness to the Pharaoh, and the human, the toilet-going human, became God. So historically, eons ago, humankind recognized that perception management is important. Fast forward a fair few centuries into our times, and the magicians in their old capacity have gone. They're around, I mean, there's still black magic and stuff around, magic is around. But the perception managers have changed. They have come in the form of screens today. TV and media and internet. And they manage perception, so they make ropes look like snakes and snakes look like ropes. And until the haqq comes, until the truth comes, because when the truth came in the time of the Fir'aun, when Musa alayhi salam came, the truth devoured the falsehood. And Allah Rabbul Izzah says, وَقُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقُّ وَزَهَقَ الْبَاطِلِ إِنَّ الْبَاطِلَ كَانَ زَهُوقًا. And say the truth has come and become manifest, and falsehood has perished. Falsehood by its nature is perishable. So, in our times, truth is the only thing that will set us free. And as the famous biblical statement, seek ye the truth, and the truth shall set you free. So we have come here today at a time where really difficult images are being associated with Islam. You know, I was thinking about it. If you get a car, a Suzuki, you know, and I think Suzuki is a cheap car. And if anyone has it, khalas, it's an expensive car, but you know what I mean, yeah? Suzuki is a relatively cheap brand. And if you take the emblem out, you know, that logo, the emblem of Suzuki out, and slap on it a Merc one, a Mercedes, and call it Mercedes, that would be a real injustice to Mercedes, because that's Suzuki. And the same thing is happening with Islam today. So you get really strange organizations who are as far away from Islamic thought and Islamic ideology and Islamic creed as East is from the West, as Suzuki is from Mercedes, and yet they've labeled it Islam, an Islamic state, an Islamic government, and the world treats it like that. It's Suzuki, it's not the real one.